balanced diet is something. Let me rephrase. That should be balance. Fine. Okay, no problem. It's okay. About adequate sleep. People see, nowadays, because of the advancement of AI technology, artificial intelligence, artificial chatbot, right? We are unable to sleep on time, and we have fragmented sleep. So, what can we do to have an adequate quality sleep so we get all the REM cycle, deep sleep at night? What do you think?
Yeah, nowadays it is a major problem of people, especially youth, that they are very much addicted from mobiles. Because of that, they are not getting better sleep. So first of all, we should avoid using mobile phones too much.
Okay, Farhan Qadri. Okay, it was for him. Okay,
So first thing that we should avoid using too much, especially in night, because when we
especially at night.
especially at night, because when we use mobile phone at night, so our sleep get our the hormones that are present in our mind get disturbed. Because of that, uh, means we don't sleep, we can't
Right.
sleep early.
See, when you speak, I think you're lacking precision again. When we use that language, for example, somebody say that come. The question is that when, where, what, how much time, right? So when you say, for example, hormone release, we need to specify. For example, we have melatonin hormones. The production of melatonin hormone increase before, like after in the evening between 7 to 11 p.m. or depending on our schedule. So you can mention those names. Let it be. Let's not go there. It's very chaotic and very complex.